Hi, hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I want to show you a really nice apartment or really nice located in Torre La Mata, nearby the famous beach of La Mata. And as you can see behind here, we have a total nice view of the whole beach and the sea and the mountains. We are now on the community terrace, and later I'm going to show you more of the apartment, but this is the nice view and I want to show you a little bit more. So I'm gonna walk a little bit around because it's a really nice view. And so as I said, on this side we have mountains, we have La Mata Beach, Cabo Severa, and all the nice views of the sea. And it goes all around. So you can sit everywhere where you want, or taking a little bit sun and hanging your wash out, for example. And on this side you will see Torrevieja and also the nice view of mountains and the sea. So this complex has also a community pool. So what is nice, you can choose by the pool or the beach, whatever you want. And now I'm going to show you the apartment downstairs. So hi, hello, I'm back again, and here I'm going to show you the apartment. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, and first I'm going to show you the bathroom. The bathroom will be here. And on the left side we have 2 bedrooms. One is a little bit bigger, as you see. And we are going to show you the other bedroom. This is a little bit smaller. So as you see, we have here another bedroom. And then we walk directly to here. And also on this side we have a kitchen with the possibility to break it open, so we have more space in the living room and the kitchen. Or you let it be like this, because it has like nice windows, so you can serve the food from here to the living room. It has something, it's giving something. So this is the living room, and then they have a terrace here, and it's a glazed terrace. It's all closed, but also with the possibility to make it open, because as you see we have sun here, so you can sit here all day in the sun. And as well, very beautiful, we have from here, we have as well sea views. So now we're ending this video, and I want to tell you the price about the apartment. It has a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, community pool, community terrace with very beautiful sea views, don't forget that. And the price will be €156,000 with 60 square meters of this apartment. So if you want to visit this apartment, contact us, mailing, calling, whatever you want. Come pass by in the office, and one of the best agents with your language will help you out. See you next time, bye bye.